Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, give us a like, hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want to see all the still picture of any of our commercial inventory or this specific unit, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, a cab chassis. Before we put the upfit on it, I want to take the time and just go around and show you our process on how we do this. This is a 2020 Ram 5500 Crew Cab, black exterior and color. You're gonna notice on the front it does have the upgraded chrome package. Gives you the chrome front bumper, also a chrome front grille. Very nice upgraded 19.5-inch rims there. Cummins diesel, 6.7 liter Cummins diesel. Very quiet Cummins diesel. I would say one of the quietest on the market. Definitely a plus with that. This is an 84-inch cab chassis, so we can put, for example, an 11-foot service body on this for you, painted to match, no problem whatsoever. And that's more than likely what's going to be going on this thing. So we do keep about 15 to 20 cab chassis in stock at all times, and majority of them, I'd say 80% of our cab chassis are already going to have the upfit on it. So they're ready to go to work for you ASAP. So no matter where you're located in the country, we do ship all of our cab chassis vehicles nationwide. We can literally deliver it to your job site, to your house, wherever you need it to go, usually within a week. So our turn time on getting these vehicles to the end customer yourself is very, very quick. Onto the inside, it's going to have your basics. It's going to have your power side mirrors, power windows, power locks. It also does have a vinyl floor, as you can see throughout. And I did not mention outside, I'm sorry, this is a 4-wheel drive truck, so you are going to have your 4 low, neutral, 2 high, which is in standardly, and then a 4 high also. Automatic overhead headlightings on this unit. It does have capability of programming your phone directly into it. So what you would do is these 2 top buttons here, after your phone is programmed into your radio, if your phone ring, simply hit the phone button. You're going to carry on your conversation directly through your speaker system. These buttons down here are going to operate your instrument cluster, which is located here in your center of the dash. Cruise control on the right, and then you also do have the option of shifting gears while going down the road. Push button start, leave the key in your key fob in your pocket. Simply put your foot on the brake and hit the start button. AM, FM, Sirius XM radio. This truck does come with a free subscription when purchasing brand new of the Sirius XM radio, which is a nice feature. This whole screen here is all touch screen. All your climate controls features are located here in the center. And then you're also going to have a factory trailer brake control, 5 auxiliary switches located down here, also a PTO, exhaust brake, and your tow haul button. You can fit up to 6 people in this vehicle safely by flipping the center console up right here. That's going to give you your 6th seat. Or you can leave it down. You have a nice leather wrapped armrest, 3 cup holders, and a nice little storage bin in there with a USB plug. Plenty of rear foot room for all your back passengers. Very large cab as you can see with this. It does have the upgraded vinyl I did not mention up front. So this is the Ram upgraded work vinyl, which is another really nice feature to have. And it does have storage underneath there, underneath the rear seat. So if you're looking for a cab chassis to either upfit for yourself or already have the vehicle upfitted for you like we do majority of ours here, we are the one-stop shop, Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We do have painted colors as you can see, black here. This is going to get an 11-foot black service body, more than likely for the end customer user. We have red, we have white, I have gray. I mean, I have all kinds of colors, silver. So don't hesitate to give us a call if you're looking for something a little different. If we don't have it in stock, we more than likely have it coming in. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this or anything else we have in our inventory as far as our heavy-duty trucks, period, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SherryChrysler.com.